What's up? So I want to talk about ZSAN. It was a really big runner today. So it went from like the threes all the way up to almost the sevens, 665. So that was so cool. Um, so this was like the breakout of pre-market, and then it never came back to this low. It just went higher. And around here, I was like, I wanted to touch a VWAP again, and then I'm going to rebuy it. And then I got distracted and I forgot about it. I'm not surprised that it ran because I was thinking that it would have a second push off of VWAP, but it never touched it. But, oops. But I guess, let me see. This was like a level where it touched on a couple of times and then just never came back to it. So I could have risked off of this level in the 440s and rode it up to 6, but whatever. Also, there, somebody that I'm following on Twitter is 7 Points Capital. They are a firm, some kind of a trading firm, and every day they put out videos like trading takeaways. So I've been watching that recently. And the guy has a beautiful video about like he made indicator bars for every single point. I think that he was looking at it more of like from a shorts perspective. So it's just interesting to watch. So I watched that. And yeah, I'm going to be watching this tomorrow. Up 159%. I'm thinking two things. Like I'm thinking maybe tomorrow it'll be like a morning panic and then dip buy, or maybe it'll just like break pre-market highs and run again. I watched the free Tim Bowen webinar tonight, and something that was really cool was the volume indicator. Oh, what am I doing? Okay. On his screen, it showed, well, it did 70 million volume today, and it's a 10 million float, so the float rotated 7 times. But on his screen, like somewhere here, it showed 70 million volume. But not on mine. It was like a big candle like this, but over here. Where's my volume bar? Maybe if I do 1 month? Strange. 5 days? I don't know why I don't have the same volume bar. Oh well. But yeah, my volume's weird. It did 70 million volume. 70 million. How come it doesn't show up? Jeez Louise. Check the 5-day. I don't think this did anything yesterday either. Well, I mean, no volume, a lot of volume, I guess. What was the other point? Oh, I think this has also run to 25, if I'm not mistaken. So something was like it's a former runner. Yeah, this ran to 25 before, and it looks like it had, after it broke out here, 1, 2, 2 green days. So, oops. Wait. Okay. Where? This is the twos. Where's the stock now? I thought it was in the sixes. Oh yeah, it's up here. I want to make a line there. I wanted to make a line like exactly where it was. So it's already broken past all these little points. So looks like clear skies ahead on a former runner. So I'm just gonna be watching this guy to see what happens. No real news either, just like watch these tech stocks push the limit. Okay, that was 1:45 p.m., but why is this running? Phase 3 program for migraine patch. Okay, that was at 7 a.m. Okay, here we go, 6 a.m. Announces completion of the final milestone in the long-term safety study. So, is this like a biotech that is in its phase 3 study? I think I remember something about phase 3's running, but I don't know. So this was pretty cool to experience. I was like waiting. I was like, as soon as it touches VWAP, I'm gonna buy it, but it never did. And then I was like, no, I'll just wait for it, because I think it was here where I was watching. I was like, I'll just wait for it. But this was cool for me to see too, that there could be runners that never touch VWAP. So that was interesting. So tomorrow I'm either looking for like big panic and I'm going to try to buy it and hold it for a little bit, like a morning dip buy. Or if it, like, let's say this is pre-market, like same thing like this, like if this is the pre-market, I guess if it spikes and pulls back, I guess I could get in at one of those spots too. I'm going to try, I think, 100 shares. I'm going to try, I think, I'm not sure. Bye.